Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on Instagram. So for that, you need to open your account on Instagram and you can find different videos on YouTube how to create Instagram account. Okay, so let me show you how you can make money. So let me show you an example theme page. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, so now you can see that this is the big theme page in the motivation niche. You can create theme page in any niche that you like, and you can earn money by different ways with the help of theme pages. So the first method is here. You can see that this is an ad from that person. So that means shout out. So this person paid this page a certain amount for the shout out, and he can get good traffic from here. So this is the first method, and you can also promote your course here or your ebook here, and you can also offer your subscriber something and they will subscribe you for a monthly basis. So these are all the methods that you can use to earn money from Instagram. And if you want a detailed video, let me know in the comment section. I will make a detailed video how you can create theme page and earn money from that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.